Today we have a mouse pad that I ordered a very long time ago, but it's a limited edition Saturn by NachoCustomz. It's called the Calm, and I ordered this back in, I think, January. I don't really remember. Oh, what happened to the box? Why did it come like that? That's a bit disappointing. But here's the box. Pretty cool. This is the Saturn Calm. Now I really like this pad, but one thing I wish I did was add the Saturn logo here. I thought that would make it so much more cooler and look more premium. Because right now you can't really tell it's a Saturn. So my recording decided to stop in the middle of me talking, and I was just yapping to myself. But yeah, I basically like finished the recording without recording. No, that was really sad. But I'll just talk about my main takeaways. So basically the difference between the Saturn and the regular Saturn, so far the surface feels the same. Like, it feels like a Saturn. Oh, focus. The only difference being that this one is soft and this one is very soft. So this one obviously has less control. But the main difference between the Saturn and the Saturn Pro is the base. So as you can see, this is shiny. Saturn Pro is a lot shinier because this uses a pour-on base, while the Saturn uses a regular rubber base. But honestly, it just feels like sticky cloth. But yeah, with the pour-on base, this is not going anywhere on your desk. Like, it's on there. Like, no matter how hard I push, it's just not gonna move. On the other hand, with the Saturn, okay, well, it's not moving right now, but it's a lot easier to move around your desk. Like, I'm not even lifting it up right now and it's sliding around. Like, that's not gonna happen with the Saturn Pro. But honestly, like, in what situation are you going to be like using your whole arm to push the pad, right? So it shouldn't be too big of a deal. Maybe I'll post a review video on the Saturn if I feel like there is a big difference between the Saturn and the Saturn Pro. But yeah, so far everything feels like the same, so I don't think there's a need to make a comparison video. Also, another really sad thing is, I would say, is the quality issues with this pad. Because why did my camera just freeze? As you can see on the stitching, the actual like pad is stitched going through the edges, which is kind of ugly. And also sometimes on the sides, like, there's like these white marks. There's like these white marks on the sides. Yeah, but you know, that's just looks. Obviously, if you wanted this pad for looks, it might affect you a bit, but if you're getting this pad because you just wanted a new mouse pad, then it's just whatever. So this is the Saturn Calm by NachoCustomz. I wish they added the Saturn logo here, just so the pad looks less Temu product and less AI generated, more premium, you know, lethal gaming gear, Saturn, NachoCustomz. Because on all the other NachoCustomz pads, like, there's like a Easter egg where it either says NachoCustomz, but I'm not seeing any on this. So I regret to say that what if it is AI generated, you know? Like, you can never know. Anyways, yeah, this is the Saturn Com by NachoCustomz, and that was my unboxing. I'll see you later.